Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
We are going to learn how you can create a project using IBM Watson machine learning modular flow. So this is our existing project. If you didn't add the services of the modular flow and Watson machine learning, please add those. Although it will ask in the between the project as well. So first of all, we will click on the add to project button. Click on the modular flow. It will open a window and ask the new modular flow here. So you can click on the new one if you want to create a new. From file option is there and your from example sample is there. So I am going to choose the existing sample that is based on the drug study example. This is the model which predict or classify the drug that is given should be given to the patient according to their health matrices. So we will choose this sample. Click on the create button. After clicking on the create button, it will open a new canvas dashboard which will show you the modular flow of this data set. You can see here, this is your drug input given to the machine. It is filtering your converting sodium to potassium and then putting the filter on that, removing the drugs which don't require, and then defining a new type of the drug which is required for the patient. And this is your drug, applying the classification model C5.0 on this. Now this is good to go. So what we will do? First we will create a new model from this. So we will click on this and run it. When you will run it, it will create a new model from the existing one. Now we will apply some field operations on this. The first one is the filter. And then we have our outputs, that is your table format. We will connect our drug to this filter and then this one to our table. Now we will rerun it, this table. After running this, your new output table is ready to see. If we click on this, it will show you the all features that is based on the given data set, and it is your age, sex, BP, cholesterol, drug, your these filters, potassium and sodium, and this is a drug which it has detected. Now we will go back to the return flow. Click on the filters and we will open it. Here we will go to the rename field, add the columns, that is over C drug, CC drug. We will make it some with the familiar name, that is over predictive, and other one is CC drug is over confidence. Now click on the save button and just click again here and run it. It has created a new table now. When you view this table, it will show you the changed name of the column. This is more familiar than the previous name. Now we will go back to the flow. Our model is ready now. We will save it. Just click on that. Save the branch as a model. This is already the branch terminal name is coming. You can choose from here and we will save this name, drug model. Just save it. After saving the model, we will go back to over this project page. Under the assets table, you will be able to see the name of the saved model and the data set which we have chosen. It's opening. Here, when you will drag, Under the WhatsApp machine learning model, you can see the drug model here, and this is your dataset, modeler's flow. So this was all about how you can use the Watson machine learning model using modular flow of SPSS in this IBM Watson Studio. Our next step is how you can use the streaming flow existing on the SPSS modeler. I hope everyone would like this video. See you in the next video.